Wire transfers on Coinbase provide a direct way to deposit fiat currency like US dollars from your bank account straight into your Coinbase wallet. This method is particularly valuable for large deposits due to higher transfer limits compared to other deposit methods. To find your personalized wire transfer details, you'll need to follow a specific process within your Coinbase account. Let me walk you through each step to ensure you get the correct information for your transfers. Next, you'll click on the Deposit or Add Cash option. Then specifically select Wire Transfer as your deposit method. This is where Coinbase will generate your personalized wire transfer instructions. Your wire transfer details will include several critical components. The receiving bank for US dollar transfers is Metropolitan Commercial Bank, and you'll receive specific account information that's unique to your Coinbase account. For international transfers, you'll need the SWIFT or BIC code. This code consists of 8 to 12 characters that identify the specific bank and branch for international wire transfers. The most critical component is your user-specific reference code. This unique identifier must be entered exactly as provided in the memo or reference field of your wire transfer. Any errors in this code can result in delayed or lost transfers, so accuracy is essential. When making wire transfers to Coinbase, several critical considerations can make the difference between a smooth transaction and costly delays. Understanding these key factors will help you avoid the most common errors that affect thousands of users. The most critical aspect of any wire transfer is accuracy. Every detail must be entered exactly as provided by Coinbase. Double-check the receiving bank details, account number, and routing information. Most importantly, the user-specific reference code is absolutely critical. This unique identifier links your transfer directly to your Coinbase account. Omitting this code or entering it incorrectly is the leading cause of transfer delays and complications. Coinbase has significantly enhanced security measures for wire transfers. As of late 2024, multi-factor authentication is mandatory for all wire transfer operations. This three-step process includes your login credentials, two-factor verification, and final access approval. Be aware of evolving regulatory landscapes that could impact wire transfers. Financial regulators are increasing scrutiny of cryptocurrency exchanges, which may lead to geographic restrictions, higher compliance costs, or changes in processing procedures. Understanding processing timelines helps set proper expectations. Domestic wire transfers typically take 1 to 2 business days, while international transfers may take 2 to 4 business days to complete the full process from your bank to Coinbase. If your transfer doesn't appear within the expected time frame, don't wait. Contact Coinbase support immediately. Early intervention can help resolve issues before they become more complex, especially if there were errors in the reference code or banking details. Remember, successful wire transfers to Coinbase depend on attention to detail, following security protocols, and understanding the process. When in doubt, verify your information through official Coinbase channels and don't hesitate to seek support when needed.